Design is about vision, not repetition. So why redraw a standard part when you can simply define it? Welcome to CADsymbols. Over 30 million intelligent parts, organized by chapter, library, and designation. Select a fastener, change the thread, change the length, and watch the geometry update in real time. This isn't a static block, it's a parametric object. The library spans 2D symbols and fully rotatable 3D models in both metric and imperial units, letting you drop complex components directly into your drawings instead of building them manually. From 2D schematic symbols to 3D machine construction models, DIN, ISO, ANSI compliant, the library adapts to your workflow. Direct interface with major CAD applications, including TurboCAD, AutoCAD, SOLIDWORKS, and Inventor. Or save and import symbols in vector and bitmap formats, such as DXF, DWG, DWF, SVG, BMP, JPG, PNG, and TIFF. Working globally, switch the interface instantly between English and German. Insert a symbol and it arrives as a precise wireframe. Toggle your viewport, apply shading, render it. Fully editable, fully parametric, and fully yours.